hate to bring you bad news. Oh, so many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you bought. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga drive the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grease. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a meds. Shit around my neck, it costs her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him get me pre. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. She set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. She set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Smoking on that gas blunt, biggest color right.
So what I did there, I took the concealer that's lighter than my skin complexion and I highlighted under the arch of my brow, and then I did under my eyes because it's darker there. Now if you are of a fairer complexion, you can skip that step completely and just go with a shade that is your skin tone. The medium and the darker complexion girlies, that's what we're gonna do. And then the darker complexion girlies, you don't necessarily need to do that, honestly. If you can find the right shade that's not gonna make you look ashy, go for it. So now this is the shade that is my actual skin tone.
Feel like shot it low, laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. She set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told, bet your mans know if you don't, what's happening. Put that shit on the floor then. Y'all bitches like to talk, that shit on the floor then. All this imaginary smoke, all this he say, she say, you feel me? Let me
be as thick or as thin as you want. Every day my brows are different. Go in with your foundation. And your foundation brush. I prefer a kabuki type, the ones that look like a paintbrush. I feel like it leaves it too streaky. The kabuki type blends and buffs everything in without me needing to do any extra stuff. Make sure that it's a flat top, because if it's rounded then it's more so for powder, not liquids or creams. Again, use whatever you have. Because if you want to use a sponge, you can use a sponge as well. I just prefer a brush. It's faster and it blends to me a lot better than a sponge. Alright. So now the same concealer that you did to highlight the arch of your brow, you're gonna take that and you're gonna do your under eye. Tap on the nose, forehead, chin. And I use the same foundation brush to blend everything out. For my girlies who are a fairer complexion, you can skip this step. Okay, so that's you all blended out. All right, now you're gonna take your loose powder. If you're a lighter complexion, a fairer complexion, you can use a banana. If you're a deeper tone like I am, or even darker, go with something with more like browns in it. Okay, your triangle puff. This is the best puff because it picks up literally exactly what you need and nothing more. Right, I still like tap off the excess though, and then just press it under. Just putting this wherever I had put the concealer just now. Okay, we're gonna let that set. And then with your pressed powder, right? Can you see? Pressed powder. And then another kabuki brush. This is the round kabuki. Dip into that and set everything else. Is this wet? Oh, it got wet. Oh, I missed all that under here. You guys got to make sure that you get under your jawline. Missed all of that. Where's my... Missed all of that, bro. And then in the same pressing powder, I press in the setting powder because sometimes it gets too light and too flashbacky when you take pictures. So I just press that in with the product so that it blends flawlessly and it looks more realistic. Because at the end of the day, we want to look like ourselves. And I take the same brush and I brush out the front of my brows so that it looks more natural. Yeah, like, yes, you're wearing makeup, but you do not want to look like a drag queen at the end of the day. Okay, or like we're in 2006. It's 2006 or 2016. I'm messing up my ears. Okay, so that's a dot. And then we jump straight into contour, and I just use a powder, the same powder that I use as a pressed powder. I get the darkest shade in that to contour. My darker complexion girlies, if you can find a shade dark enough, wonderful. If you can't, feel free to skip it. If it happens that you did too much contour, just go over it with your powder brush to diffuse it a little bit. But I love a good contour. Definitely a contour over blush girly. Okay, and I do my nose. I don't do eyeshadow, but I do take the contour and I contour like right here, my eye socket part, the crease. And it gives like a nice smoky effect. And if you want, you can take that and just do like right here on the outer V of your eye. That's optional. And then my forehead. And that's all that. And we're pretty much done with the complexion part. Now we're gonna jump into mascara. Oh, you know what though? I should have done setting spray before mascara. Definitely should have. But it's okay. Okay. Mascara. And honestly, you could stop right here. If you don't want to do lashes, you could really stop right here. Just make sure that you're using a really good lengthening, volumizing mascara. If you decide to skip lashes. And that's that. And then I go in with a black pencil and I do my waterline. because I was raised in the 90s. Okay. And then I left my lashes. So after all of that, go in with your setting spray. Yeah, that's much on my lashes. I hope I didn't just much on my mascara because it's still wet. Okay. So after that, we're gonna jump into lashes. And I guess I could have done this off camera too, but here we are. And this should take you, this whole face should take you 20 to 30 minutes. Actually 15 minimum if you're not doing lashes. If you are doing lashes, about 20 minutes this face should take you. Because unless it's your wedding, your funeral, or a red carpet event, there's no reason why you should be paying somebody to do your makeup for you. There's no reason why when you're on a girl's trip, you're asking people to do your makeup for you. No. These few little steps, that is it. That is all. With the glue, make sure that it gets a little bit tacky first before applying it to your eye, because then it's just going to fall off. You want it to be a little tacky. So fan it like I was doing, or blow on it just so it gets nice and sticky, but not too dry. And if your eye runs, that's fine. So mine is running right now. Being a girl. You see the difference lashes make? And you choose a lash that, you know, fits your face. Like I have a bigger face, so I prefer to wear bigger lashes. But yeah, you just choose a lash that you like, that fits you, and you go from there. Alright girls, that is it. That is all. I was debating on wearing my hair up or wearing it down. No, I might leave it up. It was cute up. But I think my hair is fine. I curled it yesterday and I just put some polisher on there and call it a day. But this is the look. This is my everyday full face. If you want, you can skip the under eye setting powder, but if it's gonna be a long day for you, or if you're going out at night, gonna be taking pictures, go for it, okay? But yeah, this is my everyday basic beat. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. If you feel like I should have mentioned something that I did not mention, please leave it in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you made it to the end, until next time, peace sign and kissy face. And yes, I broke 2 more nails. Bye.